Indian Institute of Technology Mandi, established in 2009, is one of the 8 second-generation IITs located in Mandi, Himachal Pradesh, with an overall rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. Let's explore the institute's 4.3 rated BTech program, starting with its placement record rated 4.1 stars. In 2023, IIT Mandi welcomed top recruiters such as Accenture, Adobe, BookMyShow, CAD Studio, among others. Of the 232 graduating students, 207 secured placements, resulting in a placement rate of 89%. The highest package stood at 80 lakh per annum for the year 2023. Looking at the year-on-year trend, the median packages have increased by 5% as compared to the previous year and stood at 22 lakh per annum for the year 2023. Compared to IIT Ropar, IIT Mandi offers better salary packages. Students report a variety of roles available, including software developer and senior electrical engineer. About 70 to 80% of students secured internships, enhancing their employability. Regarding academic details, IIT Mandi offers 9 BTech specializations, including 3 recent editions of Material Science, General Engineering, and Microelectronics and VLSI. Eligibility requires 75% in 10+2. Admission involves qualifying through JEE Advanced. The 4-year program fee is 8.74 lakh. The total hostel and mess fees is around 1.99 lakh rupees. Scholarships and fellowships are available based on merit and need, providing vital financial support. Turning our attention to the 4.4 star rated infrastructure. The campus spans 538 hectares and comprises 2 campuses connected by shuttle services. Facilities include smart classrooms, a well-stocked library, and cutting-edge labs like environmental engineering and robotics. The library features an extensive collection of print and digital resources. Dormitories for boys and girls are well maintained with nutritious meals offered in 4 mess halls. The institute promotes sports with diverse facilities and active participation in events like the Inter-IIT Sports Meet. Transitioning to faculty and course with a 4.2 star rating. Faculty members are known for their expertise and support with the ongoing research in fields such as artificial intelligence and robotics. IIT Mandi also hosts a tech business incubator, Catalyst, which supports startups through funding and resources. Let's now move on to Campus Life rated 4.4 stars. IIT Mandi offers various workshops, seminars, and cultural events. Major fests like Exodia and Astrax provide students with enriching experiences. To wrap up, IIT Mandi currently ranks 31st in the NIRF rankings, up from 33rd in 2023 and 2022. For more details on IIT Mandi and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, download the Shiksha app now. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.